Hello guys, I'm going to be doing a video on cats today. I'm going to try to go to the next stage, which I'm stage 11 right now. And let's do a quick fight right now just to see how powerful our thing is. So it's sort of powerful. And that's alright, but we can still get it more powerful by upgrading our rockets and adding more rockets and all that. I think I really want to put that on there because how much does that have? If I add all three of these, 1, 2, 3, how much? So that equals 25, so 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. That would make 6. That would make 6 energy to put on there, which I kind of don't want 6 energy on there. But yeah, we're just gonna have to deal with that. And yeah. So let's try to find more stuff. I know they just do that much damage, except for this. This does 690 damage. What if I add that? Will do anything? No. I'm gonna take that off and put that on. I'm gonna fight with this. So we won that fight. Let's go to the championship and see what's happened. Oh, it's a little bit too powerful. It is too. Alright, so basically we need more power and probably more health. Which I'm trying to figure out to get more health. Or we could just try... Don't equal to 13. We could try that. That could actually work. We put that bacteria and that. Let's try that real quick. We kind of lost there. We probably need more health. We got more health from that. Oh, did not mean to hit that. Checking if I'm recording. Okay. So, yeah, we need to keep adding more health. Is that gonna do anything? That's 90 more health, 30 more health, and 60 health, 60 more health. Oh, I'm gonna sell these. Okay. That might be enough health for now.
Your charges in the truck are going to go into the center,
Okay. Yeah, I think we need more health. That's probably just my problem. That's 42. Oh, no, I want to add it to this. Okay, we need to sell more stuff. Okay, let's do that. I think that's enough now to do that. Yeah, we got enough. There's more of that. Now I want to make more health on this. But there's 25% on pyramid, which is pretty good. Any other tires that go on pyramid that are pretty good? Sneaky, Titan, pretty much all Titan, I'll really say. That has 22, I was just using that. Alright, now to try again. Okay, we beat that guy. Oh. Well, I guess we couldn't go to the next stage. I might just have to buy some gems and get more boxes and all that. Put that on. There's 200 health. Any other tires that have a lot more health on them? Classic. I could probably add more tires to them to make more health, but that probably won't work. Yeah. It doesn't look like it's working. Oh, that adds 50. That's pretty good. I'm gonna sell that and add that. And yeah. So yeah. Here we go. Alright. So that's all we really needed right there. So I'm gonna end this video off right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like on this video.
It ain't my fault.
Leave a like on this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Goodbye.